6 days. That's all it's taken for the Gateshead Flyover to start disappearing before our eyes. And what you're about to see today might surprise you. Welcome back to 55 degrees north. Today we're back at the Gateshead Flyover for a quick update on how the demolition is progressing. Work officially kicked off on Monday the 20th of April, and now, nearly a week later, things are moving fast. So when work first started at the beginning of the week, most of the focus was on the north and south on and off ramps. These were the first sections to go, and as you can see now, they're mostly gone. It's quite something seeing areas that once carried thousands of vehicles completely stripped back in just a matter of days. Now, the demolition effort is shifting into the heart of the structure, right above the Sunderland Road bus lane. Crews are slowly working their way inward from both sides, carefully breaking down the flyover piece by piece. You can really see the methodical approach here. It's not just destruction, it's controlled dismantling. Take a look over here. Large skips filled with scrap steel reinforcement. This is the internal framework that once gave the concrete its strength. And just beside it, you can see a grown pile where the steel has been separated from the concrete, ready to be taken away and recycled. Interestingly, some of the temporary steel supports used during the demolition have already been removed, a sign of just how quickly sections are being cleared. It's strange to think this flyover stood here for decades as a key part of the local landscape, and now, piece by piece, it's been erased. In just a few short months, this entire structure will be history. If you want to follow every stage of the demolition, make sure you check out the Gateshead Flyover Demolition playlist. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you're enjoying these updates, please give the video a massive thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. And if you've not already done so, please consider subscribing to 55 degrees north and hit that bell notification for when I release more videos. A massive thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, right here on 55 degrees north.